my gosh! Help! Oh my gosh, we gotta get out of here quick because I might get stomped on by a heel. So, hello everybody. Great way to start my day is with a monster, of course. In this week's episode of Dangerella, I'm going to show you three legit ways to make money in Las Vegas. Now, as long as you have your ID, you can be a success. Simple as that. These are three basic ideas, and if you have any other ideas, be sure to comment below. Also, I'll be sure to add any links in the description of the places that I tried. Alright, let's get to work. Here I am at Buffalo Exchange. Here is another easy and legit way to make money in Vegas. So, I've got a couple things, name brand things. I'm going to hope that they'll sell. If they don't, oh well, you know, I tried. We actually also have one in Philly. We have a Buffalo Exchange. Well, here I go, Buffalo Exchange, and let's see if I can make money today. I just want to see if you guys could see. Say, this is a Puma bag. I have two pairs of shoes. That's it. Oh, and then I have a shirt, Adidas. Here I am, back again at Test America. Best recommended to come on the weekends. And I'd say on the weekends, the best time to get in here, I'd say Saturdays are like about 10 or 11. And usually you can get in on studies up until about 2 till about 4 o'clock. I wouldn't try to push it any later than that because they typically close about that time and it's harder to get into any studies. But definitely give them a try. It's a quick and easy way to make up a couple extra bucks. And just by simply giving your feedback, your opinion, and testing and trying stuff. You can come here as early as 10 a.m. during the week and see what they have available. So, pretty easy. And they have a variety of studies go on. Sometimes they'll do drink studies, sometimes they'll do food tasting studies, or just you look at a shelf and you look at products and you give your feedback, like maybe the first thing you see. You get money either in checks, so you'll get paid in a check, which you can easily take and go to the Gold Coast and cash it in, and make sure you have your player's card for that. They'll also give you a ticket or a drink ticket as well, but definitely check them out. So yeah, but what you do is you come into Test America, you ask them, hey, what's going on today? And then what you try to do is get signed up for as many as like surveys or survey samples, or you can watch, they'll give you pilots and whatnot. I'll show you here real quick today, and I signed up for this, so I gotta get up there very quickly here. What you would do is basically just go up this desk. They even have an elevator. You go up to the front desk and say, hey, I'm interested in seeing what you have going on for today. And then what you do is once after you're in, and you say you do one study, then you want to see what other studies that you can get in on, because they may have more than one that you could sign up for, and that just adds more to what you would earn. And in fact, Philly people, I want you to listen up, because you've got one in Franklin Mills, Test America. I made sure to check. I've never been to that one yet. So this is a legit way to make some quick cash in Vegas. You can come down to Bally's. You also have a couple other places on the strip that you can go for this. It's by NBC. So what they do is they try out pilots and get people's feedback. So it's a pretty easy gig. You just get paid cash just for watching a TV pilot. Typically it's on the weekends. They may do some days during the week. It really depends on what projects they got going on, but May and June is those are the big months that usually they have more projects, more TV pilots that they're testing, and you get paid more incentive. You get paid cash and buffets as well. So as long as you have an out-of-state ID, it's simple as that.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.